Welcome everyone. This is going to be an unboxing video of the GSG men's driving leather gloves that are made of sheepskin. I purchased the burgundy color. The company claims that the gloves are fully touchscreen compatible, which we'll test. But before I open the package, I wanted to show you how you would measure your hand to determine what size glove you need. So you need a measuring tape for this. So you're going to take the measuring tape, you're going to put it around the palm, or more so the knuckles, and you're going to bring it around and make sure you're not squeezing it too tightly so you get a better accurate measurement. Make sure your hand is comfortable and loose. So bring it around and measure. So for me, I stood roughly around 8.5 inches. So that's what I ordered. So when you look at the sizing chart that's in the listing, the sizing chart for me said that I would need to buy a small sized gloves because 8.5 to 8.8 inches would fall in the small glove category. So I did purchase the small gloves. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's in the package. So the package came in like this from Amazon. Comes in a nice pouch like this, and inside the pouch we have our gloves. And let's see if there's anything else. Nope, that's pretty much it. So the pouch also has a drawstring so you can put stuff in it and tighten it. It's just paper. So, moment of truth. So it's got the buckle here. Let's open. Now it feels pretty smooth. Feels pretty nice, and it's a thin gloves, so it's pretty good overall. So fits my hand pretty well, nice and snug. I can squeeze my hand, make a fist. I can button the glove, and it's a really nice fit actually. I'm a little surprised it looked smaller. It looked pretty small when I opened the package, but I guess I do have small hands. So that's where we are. So it feels pretty nice. Put the other one as well. Make sure they sent the both gloves the same size, and this also fits in pretty nicely. Now the leather does appear to be pretty thin. It's pretty skinny, but I would probably warn you guys to make sure that when you're putting it on, you're not putting too much of a stretch or putting too much of a pressure on one side. Just, sliding it in nicely and slowly. I did see one reviewer post that their glove ripped. I can see the risk of ripping this glove, but if you're careful, I think you can avoid that. But overall, feels pretty nice, pretty comfortable, and I'm sure over time, with a little bit of use, it's gonna stretch a little bit as well. Now, the company did claim that this was a fully touchscreen compatible glove. So let's go ahead and. So as you can see, I just pulled up an app on my phone. I can move it, touch the screen. Looks like they weren't kidding. With all the fingers, I can easily move both hands. So touch screen. Oops. Touchscreen compatible, as you guys can see. Pretty nice. So if I want to click on something, opens it nicely. So I've got pretty good dexterity with these gloves. So all the fingers are indeed touchscreen. compatible. So it works on the touchscreen, which I like very much, especially when I'm driving and I need to touch something on my phone or do anything on my phone. So it's pretty nice. So overall, the glove looks pretty sleek, pretty nice. Feels pretty good in my hands. I would definitely recommend it if you're looking to purchase nice looking, comfortable driving gloves. I'm gonna give these a spin and see how they feel also when I'm driving, but I can already anticipate it being pretty comfortable when driving as well. So check it out for yourselves. If you'd like to purchase a pair of these gloves, please use the link in the description below. You'll be supporting my channel as well. Thank you for watching.